I'm Jeremiah from ENS, and Dave's on the line here, and he's actually live at a location. This is Barb's Fish and Chips, where we're installing 3 menu boards, right? And the way we've set up your cell phone is if you take a picture and you text message it back to me, it's going to show up in the channel here. So I'm going to get you to do that now. And think of these as the money shots. And also, we put up 3 pictures. We put up a picture of the desert.
Yes.
We put up the picture of a jellyfish and a picture of some penguins.
Right.
So, which one is on the far left?
Far left is penguins.
Penguins. Okay, good. So we got the penguins, and what's in the middle?
Jellyfish.
Oh, man-o'-war jellyfish. Perfect. So that tells us that it is 3, 2, 1. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to label those 3, and if you can start sending back some pictures, that would be awesome.
And how do you want the pictures, Jeremiah, of each individual screen?
No, just the money shot from across. I'm cool with that.
All 3, okay. I can only get a few feet away, so. Okay, you want me to do that now?
Yes, please.
Okay.
So basically what I know is that since penguins is there, and that is number 3, I know that this is first place. So we're going to call this one far left.
Okay, that's sent.
Perfect. And meanwhile I'm labeling the media players here. So I now know which one, thanks for that with the pictures, is on the far left. And let's see, 2 is jellyfish, so that tells me this one's the middle. So I'll label this one middle, and this is for your graphic designer, by the way. This is
I was just talking about that.
Where is his graphic designer, by the way? She's in another country, right?
Philippines, I think he said.
Yeah. So.
Or something like that.
And so how cool is that? This makes it so that somebody from another country can real-time change the content up on the wall in front of you.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing? Really is an amazing world.
Cool.
So I've got the 3 labeled now.
Can somebody change my life from anywhere in the world?
Can somebody please change my life from anywhere in the world too? Yeah. And here's a live picture. So this is... while we're there, you see the penguins, and then there's the jellyfish, and then there's, so thank you for sending back that picture. What we have is a system whereby if you take a picture, it comes into what's called a Slack channel here, which we can use that for project management. It tells us what's going on live. So very cool. So how would you rate the ease of this whole project from an installation, and how much did you have to configure, I guess is the question.
Oh, it was nothing. I mean, really, really simple. As far as, this is just the installation. Screens and those little computers that you sent, but very, very, very simple.
Well, you couldn't be a better testimonial than that, so I appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
And that's it. We now know which one's left, middle, and right. And we're done the install. So thanks for your time today. Thank you.
Perfect. You're welcome, Jeremiah.